Welcome to Creative Engineers, manufacturer and exporter of hacksaw and bandsaw machines. An ISO 9001-2008 and NSIC certified company, incepted in 1984. At Rajkot, spacious infrastructure facility and vast industrial experience make us unique in the industry. Assured quality products, efficient after-sales services, and multiple payment modes are some of the key factors behind our success. We offer a diverse range of metal cutting bandsaw, hydraulic hacksaw, and cutting machines. Hacksaw and bandsaw machines offered by us are superior in performance. Our metal cutting bandsaw and giant hydraulic hacksaw machines are highly efficient. Our organization is highly involved in providing an impeccable range of hydraulic hacksaw and cutting machines that are a class apart. Bandsaw machine repair services and metal bandsaw machine for steel industry are widely demanded in the market. We are leading firm engaged in offering giant hydraulic hacksaw machine for automobile industry and bandsaw machine for metal cuttings. To get more information, log on at www.creativehacksaw.net.